Tesla's first two mass-market vehicles, the Model S and Model X, made a huge impression on the auto industry and consumers. With outrageous performance and cutting-edge technology, these vehicles were aspirational for many due to their rather exorbitant price tags. The latest edition, the 2017 Tesla Model 3, however, will deliver many of the factors that make its predecessors so attractive, but at a much more accessible price. In terms of size, the Tesla measures 184.8 inches long, 56.8 inches high and 72.8 inches wide. That makes the Model 3 similar to an Audi A4 or a BMW 3 Series. There's 15 cubic feet of trunk space, again similar to what other entry-level luxury cars offer. Tesla has announced two versions of the car. The $35,000 base car has a range of 220 miles, but it won't be available for the 2017 model year. The only 3 you can get is the upgraded long-range model. It has a rated range of 310 miles, can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds, and will top out at 140 miles per hour. On top of that, it's important to note that this initial run of Model 3s will only be offered with some rather pricey features that will push the price close to $50,000. Those looking to own the standard version will have to wait at least until the 2018 model year. The 3 is compatible with Tesla's supercharger charging network, and the company says 30 minutes of supercharging will add 137 miles of range. It can absorb as much as 37 miles per hour if using a higher capacity, 40 amp level 2 home charger or the supplied NAME 1450 cord adapter when backed by 240 volt, 50 amp electrical service. Clearly, the 2017 Tesla Model 3 has the potential to ascend past all other non-Tesla Fs. With initial estimates for performance, its 310-mile range combined with the numerous high-tech features, the $50,000 price could very well be justified.